This tutorial we are discussing about how to use byte stream for file input output. First of all, let's discuss about what is byte stream. Java byte streams are used to perform input and output of 8-bit bytes. Though there are many classes related to byte stream, but the most frequently used classes are file input stream and file output stream. Let's discuss about the Java input output. The Java I/O package is responsible for all the Java input-output functions. This package contains nearly every class you might ever need to perform input and output in Java. All these streams represents an input source and an output destination. The stream in the Java I/O package supports many data such as primitives, object, localized, character, etc. Let's discuss about the stream in Java. A stream can be defined as a sequence of data. There are two kinds of a stream, the input stream and the output stream. The input stream is used to read data from a source and the output stream is used for writing data to a destination. And Java provides strong but flexible support for input-output related to files and networks. But in this tutorial, we are basically functionality related to streams and input-output. So, in Java 3, streams are created for us automatically. All these streams are attached with the console. Let's discuss about these three streams. First one is system.out, standard output stream. Second one is system.in, that is standard input stream. And third and the last one is system.err, that is standard error stream. Let's discuss about the output stream and input stream. Output stream. Java application uses an output stream to write data to a destination. It may be a file, it may be an array, it may be a peripheral device or a socket. Next one is input stream. Java application uses an input stream to read data from a source. It also may be a file, an array, peripheral device or a socket. Here is the working of output and input stream. First ever, whatever the source is, that is maybe it is a file, it may be console, it may be a socket, whatever it is. First of all, it is read by input stream and then is it placed inside the Java application. And then Java application process these things and then write it as in a output stream and then print as a destination. The destination may be file, it may be console or it may be socket. Whatever the input stream, whatever the input sources as according to the output source. So code of byte input output stream. First of all, we import the java.io and whole classes of java.io package with the help of asterisk. And then public class byte io example. Inside it we create a main method and throws the io exception. And then with the help of file input stream, we just create an reference object, that is in equals to null, and again create the file output stream out is equals to null. And inside the try, first of all, we provide the value, assign the value of in is equals to new file input stream input.txt. Here we, first of all, we create a file, that is input.txt, in our D drive where the Java file is located. And here I write it, this is the test of byte io stream. And just save it and minimize it. And then here we use another file output stream is equals to new file output stream, and here I write output.txt. In the D drive, here is only the Java file and the input document. And after that we will see here the output document also. And then with the help of while loop, first of all we instantiate a value, that is int c, and for after that will while c int.read not equals to -1. -1 is used to truncate the things. So whether if there is something inside the file, right, out.write c, all the things which is inside the input file will be right in the output file. And then after the finally in not equals to null, then in dot close, and if out not equals to null, then out dot close. And then just save it and let's execute it. So we are already in our file location. So just write zavak byte io and hence it compiles successfully. Let's check it. Here we don't know whether it is written or not. So after the finally block, here I just write file system dot out dot println, and inside it we just write file is successfully copied, and just close the statement and just save it. First of all, let's again compile it, and hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. See, it will give me the answer, that is file is successfully copied. So let's go to the D drive and check it. Here the output file is already created, and hence I open it. Here it is the same thing, that is this is the test of byte input output string. So in this way we can use the byte stream to input and output the file. Thank you.